How to enable dark theme in YouTube. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So the first thing is, obviously you have to open up your YouTube. After that, in the upper right corner you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on that, and here you'll be able to see the settings option. Tap on settings. After that, in the first row you will be able to see the general option. Simply tap on that. After that, in the third row you will be able to see the appearance option. Tap on that, and here you will be able to see the three options. Since we are enabling the dark theme, tap on the dark theme, and here you can see dark theme has been displayed over here. So by following this simple step, you can easily enable dark theme in YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.